The military's sudden opposition is widely seen as a strategic move to counter President Mnangagwa's ED2030 agenda, which aims to extend his tenure. This agenda is brewing for months, becoming an official party position by October 2025. The generals who were instrumental in Mnangagwa's ascent to power following the 2017 military-backed removal of Robert Mugabe are now perceived as safeguarding their own interest against what they view as a beginning autocracy. The ED20 agenda and the military's interests. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. Their concern stems from a potential centralization of power that would marginalize the security establishment's influence. By pushing for a referendum, the military is effectively placing the decision in the hands of a public that is largely disgruntled. Opposition politician David KUTYA aptly noted, any amendment which has the effect of extending an incumbent's tenure should be subjected to a referendum. They know that if that happens, they will fail, so they will do all in their power to prevent a referendum from happening. This suggests that the military's demand for a referendum is calculated checkmate, anticipating public rejection of the term extensions. Do patashika muri Zimbabwe panguva ino kuri kuonekwa kunzi aiwa vakomana vari vela coast vari kupusha for 2030 aiwa nekuextendwa kwematerm limits. Panguva ino in their facing a hurdle after military nemawar veterans vauya vakaspeak out. The same people vakauya vakainstalla mutungamiri wenyika muna 2017 vakuenda against his rule pamwechete nehis performance vachiti hande kureferendum. Penda comment section bedu zvafunga ema tudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.